Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am doing a whole house clean. You read it right. I am in my car because I had to go pick up groceries, and now I'm about to unload them and get started on my downstairs. I have quite a bit to clean up today because my house got a little messy. It's been a long weekend, so usually we hang out on the weekends, which means my house kind of gets neglected. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get it all cleaned up, get my laundry put away, and I have to clean my spare bathroom because I gave my dog a bath inside the house. And if you have a big dog like I do, you know that that can be a mess in its own. Like, yeah, the dog gets clean, but your bathroom gets destroyed in the process. So I'll show you guys the aftermath of that, and we can clean it up together. If you haven't yet, consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna unload the little bit of groceries I have, and I'm gonna go ahead and start in my kitchen rather than starting upstairs like I usually do. I'm already in this room, so I want to go ahead and tackle it. My house really isn't as bad as I thought it was. My husband did the dishes this morning and had started some laundry and such, so I really don't have that much to clean up, but it's just like little things here and there. I'm gonna try not to talk too much throughout this video. I kind of wanted just to let it be a music, clean with me, motivation.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one.
So I chose to kind of be simple with my Valentine's decor, just little pops of reds, pinks, and purples, and splashes of gold here and there. I didn't want to get too into it because it kind of came off a little gaudy with what I was seeing in stores, so I kind of try to simplify it and just give it a little touch of Valentine's throughout my house.
Of this feeling you're giving me, don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. air to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild, and what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna.
Sometimes the best part about editing is finding stuff that you don't normally see. Like, I didn't realize there was stuff underneath my bed, but now I do, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff out of there.
Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way?
I did my last project for my Valentine's video in Tennyson's room, so now I have to clean all this up because it is quite the mess and she can't play in here with it being like that. Not that she plays in here often or is in here often, but I do want to get it cleaned up today since I'm already cleaning the whole house.
Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
have to show you guys something. I'm upstairs cleaning, and it's like real quiet downstairs. So I like peek down, and my husband and my daughter are sleeping like almost in the exact same position, and it's super cute. Aren't they just the cutest? I love like daddy-daughter moments like that, or just like when I get to catch them being adorable together. It's like my favorite part of my day, so I thought I'd share it with you guys.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass.
Okay, so this is the craziness that is my bathroom at the moment. I use peanut butter to smear on the bathroom wall to keep my dog distracted while I clean him, and it actually works really well. And he shook off, and all his hair got stuck to the wall and all in the bathtub, and I let the whole stuff, like the whole bathroom, dry so that I could just easily vacuum the hair up rather than have to wipe up wet, soppy dog hair. But now I have to clean the peanut butter off the wall, get all the hair and stuff, and just get the bathroom back to normal. If you haven't tried this trick with your dog, big or small dog, doesn't really matter. It works amazing. Just a little bit of peanut butter, and they will stay distracted the entire time you're cleaning them. Tennyson has also graduated to big girl baths, so I went ahead and got a faucet cover, and she now takes baths without like the baby bathtub. It's actually really awesome. I think it's the cutest thing to watch her in a giant bathtub and how tiny she is. But she sits up really good, she stands, and she can crawl, so she's now in a big girl bathtub. So I have to keep this bathroom clean as much as I possibly can because this is now her bathroom. I'm actually going to be taking the decor out of this bathroom and putting it into our master bathroom. And I'm going to try and decorate this bathroom to be a little more girly to kind of match her bedroom since it's her bathroom.
Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drown in our fights and whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos.
So I'm done cleaning for the day. I'm going to be heading downstairs, so I figured I'd go ahead and vacuum the stairs on my way down. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and sticking around for some more cleaning motivation, DIYs, and lifestyle.
For you, I do it all.